to press. This one. Just go to this place in a section. Okay, can you go to this floor plan here? Now, we have a small office here now. Let's create a section first. Okay, now, done. Okay, ready, huh? So the section can be found on your quick access toolbar by default. See this section, simple. But if you need to locate this one, this is actually can be found in your view tab section. This is where you can find it. But by default, they put it already on your quick access toolbar. So let's click a section. Let's click section. Let's pass the section. Let's say from this one, click. Going down. Click. Okay. What is this for now? So it's actually, if you're going to zoom out, okay, you'll find this one. This is actually how far your section can see now when we open it later. So you can move it like this. Now click and drag. Now, if I'm going to move it here, okay, see, can you see it clear here? So when we open the section, do you think I can see the sofa? Can I see this chair when I open the section now? In this way? No. So you have to move it like this. Okay. So it's up to you how you want to see your section or how far you can see the section. So this is actually the far clip offset. This one. So the far clip offset can be also edited through here. See, when I move it, watch out for this value. Watch out for this. When I move it, it also add here. So you can add or you can adjust it manually or you can type in the value here. Now, let's just, before we modify this one or before we open the section, let's press escape and let's click the section. Just click, huh? Okay, so you see this one? You can change the appearance of your section, no? You want double head? You want a tail? You want nothing? Okay, so you want, maybe you want the head from here and the tail here. So it's up to you, no? Or it's up to the company standard. And also, we usually do like this. We click this one and we adjust this line going down. So it will not obstruct, no? It will not, when someone will read your drawing, he will think that it's not a part of the drawing, no, that line. So we also move it like that, no, like this. Now, how to open the section? No? You can actually double click somewhere here. Double click. That's the first one. Double click. Okay, when you open this, the section is now open. Can you click this one first? Click this border. click this border. And when you click that border, press and hold this one. Press and hold and go and put it out. We don't want to see the other area, no? Just this. Okay? Now, let's go back to this plan here. Go back. The second way on opening the section is right-click somewhere here. Go to view. Same, yeah? Go back to the plan again, last one. Okay. So actually, you have to place, we need to know the name of the section. Okay, we need to know the name of the section. Let's place your cursor here only on the line, to the line, no? Like this. And what do you see? What's the name of the section? Section number. Can you see the same like this? When I place my cursor here, can you see section 1 as well? So that is the name of the section. Section 1 is actually here. So you can double click this one as well. So that's the 3 types of opening the section, no? What else here? Okay. So on this section, let's make a call out or a blow up detail for this one. I don't want my lines to be like this for now, no? So I would press TL, thin lines. Let's say you need a blow up detail for this one. Okay, you need to make a shop drawing. So how do we make a call out? So from the view tab here, view. Let's look for call out. Okay. And let's select the drop down. You are under the view tab now, huh? Call out. Rectangular call out. So let's make a rectangular call out here. Rectangular, you need to create a rectangle that covers this one up to this one. Okay, you have this now. So it's actually here, no? So call out, or you can double click, you can right click and go to view. Same. Now, inside this call out, okay, so let's move, let's select this border. Okay, just making sure that you are still. So when you make a call out, it will become another view. Now, okay, so this is actually the crop view, no? So move it a little bit up, select this border and make it a little bit up and this up. Okay, so the current scale of this one is 1:50. Let's make it 1:20 from here. 1:20. You are familiar with this one, no? In a sheet, okay, the blow up details is more, the scale is different, like 1:10, 1:20. For the plan, usually 1:100, 1:50. No? So let's try to make some measurement first. Okay, so did you change the 1:20 now? Okay, DI 1:20. Let's make the eye. Okay. I'm not sure if 1:20. 1:20 is okay. So measure from this one, for example, we're just trying to make a very simple, still big or, okay, let's keep it for now. Okay, so this one, and let's move this one a little bit out and a little bit out. Okay, so now let's make a hatch. Okay, let's make a hatch that, let's represent this one. So this is a section, no? I know you understand what I'm saying, no? So this is a section of the window, and then this one must be projected as a block wall. Yeah. So how do we do that? Let's go to the annotate tab. Annotate tab. We're going to make a hatch or a filled region. So go to the annotate tab and look for region, filled region. Do we have some concrete pattern here? Let's make this diagonal crosshatch. This is okay. So diagonal crosshatch is okay. Let's use a rectangle tool. Rectangle. Okay. Are you with me? Filled region and rectangle. So let's talk about the upper part first. From this corner, let's draw somewhere here. Okay. Another rectangle down. From this point to this point. I will tell you why it's not fully, no? I will tell you later. So the two rectangles are done. Finish. This is what I'm talking about now. The hatch is too big. So let's make the scale 1:10. Let's change the scale 1:10. But actually you can, no, just make 1:10. I think this one is better. Okay. Okay, done. Here, listen. Still under annotate, select component. Let's use a break line. Under component, under annotate, I mean component, use a break line, place it here. Place one break line there. Yeah, done. When you click component here, okay, break line, put it in the middle, click. And put another one down. But for the down, you need to rotate. When you make another one down, you need to rotate. Rotate by 180 degrees. Building, you're supposed to be in nine. In Revit, actually, you can avoid accidentally dragging an maybe when you see something. So it will be look like this.